Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will do the unboxing of this Lenovo LOQ, I believe. Are you happy, Shaz?
Yes.
We just bought this laptop one day before Eid, and today we are doing the unboxing. The unboxing will be done by the Shaz. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the model number of this laptop, Shaz?
The model number is LOQ.
And
Lenovo.
LOQ. No other numbers. Okay. So start the unboxing. Wow, very nice. Check out. Always hold from this side, from middle, okay? Remove it. Where is the power button? Okay. MashaAllah, very nice. How about the specification? Show me. So the specification is the processor, a 12th generation processor, Core i5, 2.5 GHz and 16GB RAM and 500GB SSD and 64-bit operating system and 6GB NVIDIA graphic card. So this is NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphic card, okay, Intel Core i5 processor. And the model is Lenovo. The brand is Lenovo. So Alhamdulillah, this is turn on now. You can see now Shadi boy will do the rest. Shazan, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Very nice. From the back side also looks like a car, Shazan. Look at this. Okay. So this is his previous laptop which he broke it with the football. Okay, you can see it broke from here, from the screen side also. So now looks like he is going to break this laptop also, isn't it? No? Sure, huh? Okay. So what are you going to do with this laptop?
I'll play games with it.
Which game?
Roblox.
Roblox. So you are champion in the game? Pro?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have your gaming channel?
I will make videos on it.
What is your channel name? YouTube channel? Or you don't want to disclose now?
I don't know.
Okay, so we'll disclose after some time, okay? When you have more video, more data on that channel, we'll disclose it, okay?
Okay.
So we'll stop the video here and see you on another video. Goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz.